This t-shirt used to be way too long, but I fixed it with a few simple tricks. I'll show you how to shorten it by cutting, by hand sewing, and even to no-cut, no-sew solutions if you're short on time. Stick around, and let me know which method you'd try first. Alright, let's start with the first tip. First, mark the length where you want to shorten it. Then lay the t-shirt flat and measure from the bottom hem up to that mark. In my case, it's 10 centimeters. Next, measure up 8 centimeters and mark a second line. Go all the way around the shirt, then draw 2 straight lines, line 1 at 10 centimeters, and line 2 at 8 centimeters. Cut off the excess fabric along line 2. After that, draw 2 more lines about 0.5 centimeters apart. This will help keep your stitching straight later. Fold the hem up along line 1 and secure it in place with pin. Now we'll sew the hem using a twin hem stitch, which gives you 2 clean, parallel lines on the outside, just like a sewing machine. Keep your stitches even, and when stitching backward, insert the needle right into the base of the previous stitch. This will help your seam look cleaner and more even. Finish the stitch on the back and hide the extra thread neatly. Press the hem flat with an iron. And that's it, you've successfully shortened your t-shirt without using a sewing machine. If you don't want to cut the fabric, next I'll show you a simple way to shorten your t-shirt using just basic hand stitches. Keep watching. This sewing tip is quick and simple, right? But wait, I've got a few more hacks that don't require any sewing at all. They're perfect for when you're in a rush, so keep watching and don't miss them. You can also use a bracelet or anything similar you have on hand. So that's 4 different ways to shorten a t-shirt. Before we finish, here are a few bonus t-shirt fixes you'll probably need at some point. If your t-shirt collar has stretched out like this, don't throw it away just yet. Fold the shirt in half to find the middle. I used bold thread here so it's easy to see, but when you're fixing yours, match the color and keep it thin for the best look. Once you tie the knot, tuck the thread in so it looks neat and tidy. With just a few stitches, it'll look neat and new again. And if your t-shirt has a small hole or weak spot, don't toss it just yet. Hopefully these t-shirt fixes give you a few new ideas. Sometimes small changes are all you need. Let me know in the comments which tip you'd try first. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.